So mutations is a heritable change in genetic material. They tend to be harmful, and an example is cancer. We have 4 different types of mutation: addition, deletion, substitution, and translocation. So addition, I'm comparing math, I'm using math. So on the addition one, you have an A extra. So you're like adding an extra A than the original one. So I'm using math, so 1 plus 1 is 2. And the deletion is just vice versa of the addition. So you have an extra C than than this one. So like this is an extra space that you don't have. So 2 minus 1 is 1. On the substitution, you can tell that on the original one, you are replacing the GC with the TA on this one. So like you have GGC, GCA. On this one you have GGC, TCA. So you're substituting the TA for the GC. So I'm using an algebra, 2x plus 5 equals 9. You subtract 5 and you get 2x equals 4. You divide by 2 to get x. You can substitute at x, which is 2, to see if your equation works, and 2 times 2 plus 5 equals 9. For me, the translocation was a little more difficult to understand, which is when 2 chromosomes break and move to other chromosomes. So you cross them. So I did a cross multiplication. So 5 over 10 equals x over 5. So I get 25 over 10, because I did 5 times 5. Hold on. It's 5 times 5 equals 10x, and then you divide by 10. And you get x equals 2.5. And that's basically what you do over here. You cross them, and then you come up with this part over here with this little guy, and this part over here with this little guy. So those are our 4 types of mutations.